Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to south of Iran and make a dish from that area. So it's called dal, which is made out of the red lentil. It's very simple, easy dish, one pot dish, and they are very favorite food in that area. You can eat that as a condiment. You can add it to white rice or with your choice of bread, and also you can eat it by itself as a soup. The red lentil basically is from India, and it's there that they made this dal. But because of closeness, that area like a Bandar Abbas, Bandar Bushehr, they had a trade that was influenced by the Indian cuisine. So they adopted and became one of their food. So because I like this food myself, we are going to make it. It's very simple, as I said. Let's go over the ingredients and start making it. All right, what we have here is 2 cups of red lentil. If you see, some of them are very small, some of them is a little bit bigger. It does not make any difference. That's why I just put it there to see the both. So don't be surprised which one is right, which one is not. They're all the same. When they cook, it's gonna melt that anyway. And for making a dal, we need some spices that I'm going to start from the 2.5 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon red pepper or cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of curry powder. I think this is a curry powder, this one is a cumin powder, and half a teaspoon also turmeric. We need also 3 cloves of garlic, some ginger that's going to be grated, 1 onion, and some it's about 2-3 tablespoons of ghee. These ghee, the only reason that I'm using, you can use any kind of oil that you like, but I just want to do the original way. Also, I had a ghee in my shelf for a long time. I haven't used it, so I'm going to use that too. For getting a body and some kind of thickness, there is 2 tablespoons of rice flour, which I'm going to mix it with the water and add it. This is optional. You don't have to have it. But if you want to, just getting a little bit the thickness to your dal, you can add that too. All right, so let's go start making it. Okay, the first thing we start is going to wash our red lentil, and the reason is because here is clean, I know, but if you buy it somewhere else, there might be needed a little bit to be washed and cleaned. For that reason, I'm going to wash it 3 times, and then I'm going to use it. And also, I'm going to prepare our onion by cutting it. You can use any kind of onion that you wish, red onion, white onion, and yellow onion. Make sure you don't use the sweet onion. All right, then this is our ginger. Very, very thinly slice it first. Then you can put them together and go over to make it smaller pieces. And the last but not the least is going to be our garlic. All right, the preparation is almost done. Let's go over the stove and start sauteing this onion first. This is our ghee, goes there. All right, this is actually If you want to be 100% vegan, you don't have to use ghee. Just use olive oil or whatever, you know, oil that you like. Okay, it's probably needs 6 to 7 minutes to change the color, and meanwhile we should wash our red lentil and make it ready. Let's do that. All right, it's the time. If you look at, you know, the color, everything is perfect. Now the good things about this dish that everything's gonna go at the same time, all the spices together. Smell magical. Okay, by the way, I'm taking a little bit of this for the garnishment on the top of the, when the food is ready, with the cilantro. I forgot to talk about that. So because it's just for the look and the garnishment. So I'm gonna add that at the end. Here go the good things about it again. So everything goes in there. I don't know what happened to me today. We left these two here. So this is actually supposed to go right before the spices goes in there. For that reason, what I do is I just put this aside, and so to make it up, add a little bit the oil here now. And we add the ginger and garlic. Again, it should be right before you put the spices. When the onion gets golden, that's the time to put the garlic and the ginger. But we can make it. Could have make it in a separate, small pan, sauteing pan, but this is okay. So I talk about one pan food, so I'm just trying to do that. Sometimes you have to improvise. It's okay. It's nice. It gets aroma going on, and nothing's gonna hurt that. Still, we're gonna have the same ingredients in there, and it's gonna cook together for about, I say, about an hour and 15 minutes. But after I put the water, when it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it cook about, as I said, about hour 15, hour 20. Then we check. It might be sooner, it might be a little bit later. It all depends on the kind of lentil you use. Okay, so let me put the water in there. Okay, that actually was 4 cups, and I'm going to add another 2 cups more water in there, and then let it cook. Put the lid on it, and on a high heat, as soon as it starts boiling, we reduce the heat and let it start cooking for, as I said, 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. All right, don't forget about I'm not gonna forget, I tell myself, not forget about the rice flour, but it's not gonna go right now. It's just about like a half a way or 2/3 of it cooks. Then I'm gonna add this. Otherwise, it's gonna go soak on the bottom, and it's gonna burn on the bottom of the pan. We see you later. Here is start boiling. All right, so I'm going to reduce the heat and just gonna leave this alone. It might need another cup of water too, so I'm gonna check on that one later. See you. All right, as you see, the consistency is pretty good for me, but because I needed to cook a little bit more, I add but another cup of water. And you don't have to add that rice flour in this, but I'm going to add 1/3 of it because it's going to be good enough. So I'm not going to add the whole thing. So that's enough. All right, and let it cook for another 20 minutes and we are done. This is the time you taste this, and if it's not hot enough for you, you can add just a jalapeno pepper and serrano pepper, or just a cayenne or a red pepper, whatever is hot and it's going to be to your taste. So that's also the time to adjust the hotness of this. So people, they really eat this, it's kind of toward the hot part. For me, that's good enough. So as I said, you can add it into your taste. It needs another 20 minutes and the food's gonna be done, and I'm gonna show it when it's ready. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, this is our dal. As I said, it took about like a 1 hour and 20 minutes total. Again, people, they usually eat this a little bit hot as far as spices. So you can add, again, your favorite pepper, is it chili or red pepper or cayenne or whatever you like to add it. But for me, this is perfect because I have to eat it. And as I said, it was very simple, easy, and really, really tastes delicious. As I said, you can eat it just like a soup. You can eat it with your choice of bread, or just put it on a plain white rice. And that's it. Just like always, I thank you so much for your support. Appreciate if you share this with your friend. And also, till next time with another Persian dish. Bye.